Responding to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Nakli NCP jibe, NCP founder Sharad Pawar has hit back, saying he could never side with Modi and those allies who had no belief in parliamentary democracy. Urging the Prime Minister to lead the entire country and not any one religion, Senior Pawar asked who gave Modi the right to call his NCP faction fake when it follows the Nehru-Gandhi ideology. The NCP founder's reaction comes a day after the Prime Minister suggested at a poll rally that Sharad Pawar should join the Ajit Pawar-led NCP and Uddhav Thackeray should merge with the Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena.
अब तो ये नकली शिवसेना वाले बम धमाके के दोषी को भी अपने साथ प्रचार में ले जाने लगे हैं। इसका मतलब हुआ कि बिहार में चारा चोरी में जेल भुगत रहे व्यक्ति को कंधे पे बिठा के घूम रहे हैं। महाराष्ट्र में बम धमाकों के दोषी को कंधे पर बिठा के घूम रहे हैं। ऐसे पापियों को लेकर के जिनको चलना पड़ रहा है, इन लोगों के विषय में 50 बार सोचना पड़ेगा। इसलिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं कि मुझे उनको जमीन में गाड़ने के सपने दिख रहे हैं। ये लोग जनता का साथ, जनता का विश्वास तो गवा चुके हैं। महाराष्ट्र के एक दिग्गज नेता 40-50 साल से वो ऐसे ही कुकरी मारते रहते हैं। बारामती के चुनाव के बाद वो इतने चिंतित है कि उन्होंने एक बयान दिया है कि उनको लगता है कि अगर 4 जून के बाद सार्वजनिक जीवन में, राजनीतिक जीवन में अगर टिक के रहना है तो छोटे छोटे राजनीतिक दलों को कांग्रेस में मर्ज हो जाना चाहिए। इसका मतलब ये जो नकली एनसीपी है और ये नकली शिवसेना है, उन्होंने कांग्रेस में मर्जर करने का मन बना लिया है।
All right, now we're crossing over to my colleague Shweta to get us on this. Shweta, war of words over the last few days when it comes to the state of Maharashtra, and something that Sharad Pawar has previously said about how regional parties in the state are going to be joining the Congress. That seems to be being blown a bit out of proportion, but do correct me if I'm wrong here. The Prime Minister is now saying that, you know, the Nakli NCP and the Shiv Sena, they should be joining the other parties, the other NCP and the other Shiv Sena, which are now in 2 factions. Sharad Pawar has now responded to this, saying, and I quote, he could never side with Modi and those allies who had no belief in parliamentary democracy. But he doesn't seem to be responding to the allegation of the Sharad Pawar faction joining the Congress.
Well, that's right. In fact, if we just see since the past few days, what we understand from the state of Maharashtra, sharp words of exchange have been happening in the political parties. Now, recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing the rally in Nandurbar in Maharashtra, he has stated that Nakli NCP can, in fact, join hands with the Mahayuti government. Now, stating back to the reply what PM Modi had in a way offered to Sharad Pawar, very categorically Sharad Pawar stated that he was addressing a rally in Pune yesterday. He said that there is no chance of joining hands with the political party, in fact with the alliance, those who do not believe, I quote unquote him, he said that those who do not believe in parliamentary democracy. After this, Mr. Sharad Pawar also stated that the ideology of Nehru and Gandhi, we align with that, and this will be very difficult for them to leave the ideology and get mixed up with a party who has only one religion ideology. After this, we have seen that several reactions from various political parties have been pouring in. We also heard from Mahesh Tapase from NCP. He said that we do with Nehru Gandhi ideology, and this will be very difficult for not only NCP of Sharad Chandra Pawar faction, but for the people, those who are in Mahavikas Aghadi, to join hands with the other political party that's in Mahayuti. Now remember, in this again war of words, NCP Sharad Chandra Pawar faction have been claiming that these are the tactics being used by Mahayuti after getting to learn that they are losing from Maharashtra. But this has been continuing, where we see that PM has given sort of an offer to Sharad Pawar, the senior most leader here. But here, while addressing the rally in Pune, Mr. Senior Pawar has been rejecting to the offer, stating that they will not join hands with the party, those who do not believe in parliamentary democracy.